Okay. So, dear children, let's start with this. The first problem. So, we know that m plus n is equal to 1. They have also said that m square plus n square is equal to 2. Then we are supposed to find the value of m cube plus n cube. So, let us first understand what is the formula for, or maybe try to remember what is the formula for m cube plus n cube. That is a cube plus b cube, the a cube plus b cube ka identity. It is nothing but a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So in this case, m cube plus n cube goes like this: m plus n in then m square minus mn plus n square is the same. As you can see, it's the same. A square minus ab plus b square. है ना? Yep. So this is the formula. From here, m plus n we know because they have given m square plus n square. Okay, fine. M square plus n square is also known. But what about mn? They have not given mn, which means we have to do something to find the mn first. Now, since we know the squares, why don't we think about applying some identity which is connected to square, which may give us the value of mn? What do you think? Which identity may help us? What do you think?
The second identity.
Second one, absolutely correct. A plus b the whole square identity definitely can help us. So when I write this as m plus n the whole square is equal to m square plus 2mn plus n square. Now I know m plus n's value. I know m square plus n square's value. So what I don't know is mn, which I'm going to get from here itself. So instead of, let me try it out. So instead of m plus n, I'll substitute 1. 1 square is 1 only. M square plus n square is 2. So I'll write 2 plus 2mn. Now what I'll do, I'll take 2 to the other side. I'll get minus 1. How do I get minus 1? Basically, it becomes 1 minus 2 is equal to 2mn. 1 minus 2 is minus 1 is equal to 2mn. That gives me mn is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Now I know mn's value also. Now it's very easy for me to find. Now let me substitute everything and find the answer. So in this case, m plus n is 1 multiplied by m square plus n square is 2 minus mn's value is minus 1 by 2. Okay. So minus minus becomes plus. It becomes 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 plus 1 by 2. When I take LCM, it's 5 by 2. The final answer remains, comes to be 5 by 2. Hence your answer is option 3, 5 by 2.
From now on, the class will be at 7 or only for today.
No, this is only for today. Since it is Sunday, I didn't want to extend this because iske baad, if you have any family, you want to spend your time with your family, hence I brought it to 7. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so I assume you might have written this. I'm erasing this. Let's go for the next one. Uh, x square plus y square plus xy is equal to 63. X plus y is equal to 63. Xy is equal to 6. Find the value of x cube plus y cube. So in this case, What do you think? What should we do? Okay, again, same story. X cube plus y cube का formula. I'll just write it over here so that it is basically x plus y and then x square plus xy plus y square.
So minus x,
Sorry, minus.
minus
Oh,
xy.
sorry. Oh, yeah, yeah. My bad. Hmm. So, what do you think? What should we do? Why do you feel that there is some kind of error in this? Just a minute. Let me just try it out. Something is not right. This can be solved in a complicated way, but not in a simple way, not at your levels way, actually. I think some data is missing over here. I feel so. I'll do one thing. I'll just mark this question for later. Okay. I'll mark this question for later. Just let me just make a note of it. Okay. About the third one. Now, in the third one, they have given x raised to 4 minus 2x cube plus kx square minus 5x plus 3 is divided by x plus 1. The remainder is 15. Find the value of k plus 3, the whole square. Now okay, before I say anything, what do you think? What should we do in this case? Yeah, Naitik, tell me.
For solving this question quickly, we can use the remainder theorem and find the answer.
Okay. So tell me, guide me. What should I write?
First of all, instead of x in that expression, we
Mm-hmm.
should put x k value minus 1.
Okay. ठीक है. And find k, right?
Yes, and equate it to 15.
Okay.
And then
Wait.
we can find
Hold
k.
on. Hold on. Hold on. So I'm just writing it down. Minus 1 the whole raised to 4. Then minus 2 minus 1 whole raised to 3 plus k. Then I'll write minus 1 whole raised to 2. Then minus 5 into minus 1 plus 3. Then should I write something?
Equals 15.
Equals 15. Okay. Then I solve to find k. Correct?
Yes.
Let me see. 1 plus 2 plus k plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 15. And 3, 6, 11, like k is equal to 4. And 4 plus 3, 7. 7 square is 49. Okay. Definitely, this is one technique. Um, Another technique. Okay. See, I really appreciate you giving this technique. This is a correct answer only. Your answer is 49. But any other technique? Yes, Rishik.
Sir, I had a doubt in this technique.
You have a doubt on what?
In this technique, sir.
Share what's your doubt?
Sir, I didn't understand why you took -1.
Because okay, this one. You are supposed to divide it with the x plus 1, right? So x plus 1 equal to 0 gives you x equal to minus.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So yeah, any other technique based on the formula and all which we have learned? See, why I'm doing this is basically consider it as a brain teaser. So even though we have got the answer, I would like to, you know, scratch your brain a little. Okay. So another method. See, it's definitely I'm not going to solve it by that method, but I'm just giving you a something to think about. Maybe you can think about it, something like that. So first of all, the remainder is 15, right? First of all, the remainder is 15. So separate 15 from here. So when you separate 15 from here, well, when you remove 15 from here, 15 is the extra part, right? So when you remove 15 from here, you'll be left with minus 12 over here. So this becomes your new equation, which is exactly divisible by x plus 1. So then what you have to do, you have to take, you have to try to break this into two groups, okay, where you have x raised to 4 plus 2x cube plus some number. Like you have to divide this into two constants, like some number over here, like x raised to 4 minus 2x cube. Let's say in this case, I'm just example के लिए divide कर रहा हूँ. Let's say minus 4 for example बोल रहा हूँ. That is one group, and another group is kx square minus 5x. अगर minus 4 इधर गया तो you're left with minus 8 over here. So the total addition of these two numbers should be equal to what do we say अपना minus 12. Okay. Then take something common like लेकिन यार wait, we won't be able to do that over here.
But it will
Um,
be very complicated.
yeah, it will be complicated. It will be complicated. Actually, not dividing this number. You have to divide actually this number. This should be minus 12 only. This you will have to divide it into two parts. It will be complicated since it is a scale. No, leave it, leave
So
it.
you
You
can
go with the
use the
remainder.
division method, right? The division method of the these. So you
Yeah,
can put
that
it in the
is
division.
Synthetic division.
Yes, sir.
synthetic division method. Yeah, that is also an option. But I was thinking something out of the box. मतलब थोड़ा brain scratcher type सोच रहा था मैं.
Acha.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
sir.
But it's okay.
So
Leave it, leave it, leave it.
synthetic division is same as long division.
Um, yeah, technically, yeah, technically same ही है. थोड़ा बहुत difference है. Technically same ही है. Yeah, yeah.
Sir, what is synthetic division?
Synthetic division method अभी यार We उसके बारे में discuss. Okay, we'll discuss that topic in some other some other day basically. Okay.
Sir, plus you have the powers in order also, like 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Yeah, powers को divide करने का. So we'll discuss
Yes,
that on
sir.
some other day. Okay. Yeah. Right now it's all about factorization and all. Okay. Now we have to simplify this expression. Let's see how can we like simplify here. Um, First of all, I'll have to write it in. Wait, लिखने के लिए जगह लगेगा मुझे. This is the expression. Okay. Fourth one में x square plus xy उसमें से what I'll do, I'll take x as common. When I take x as common, I'll be left with x plus y, right? By the way, divide. अच्छा, wait, this division, I think this is together and this is together, okay? And then it is divided. Because अगर only xy divided by x cube होता तो x और x cancel हो जाता, मतलब नीचे x square बचता था. But I don't think it is like that. This is like x square plus xy in the numerator. When I take x common, I'll be left with x into x plus y divided by x cube minus y cube. So x cube minus y cube the formula goes as x plus y multiplied by x square. Sorry, I'm just a minute. I'm छे, क्या हो गया इसमें? अरे हाँ, yeah,
So x minus y.
x minus y, yeah, x minus y in the bracket x square plus xy plus y square. This is my first term. Then divided by second term. So what I'll do one thing, I'll write it as multiplied by second term में numerator को denominator and denominator का numerator बना के लिख देता हूँ. So I'm going to write the new denominator first. In this case, it is x square plus xy plus y square. It's a single term only. Divided by 2x square minus xy minus 3y square. So here factorization is not a key. Wait, I'll do one thing. I'll write it as it is. बाद में देखते हैं इसको क्या करना है. 2x square minus xy minus 3y square. Yeah. So this is one term. So as you can see, x plus y cancel नहीं होगा. This and this gets cancelled. Right. And the next one, how can I cancel? I can maybe divide and but फिर भी common तो नहीं निकलेगा यार. 3 3 and 2. Okay, maybe I can do that. Minus 3 and plus 2. Okay, this minus xy can be written as 2x square minus 3xy plus xy minus 3y square. Can I do that? This one, can I write it like this?
So,
No. Very good.
No,
Now
sir,
here,
it will be.
Sir,
yep, I'm listening. Tell me.
sir, the coefficient of x square will have to be multiplied by 3y square, right? Minus 3y square, right? For
Why? मतलब नहीं नहीं
splitting the middle term.
minus. No. You're okay. You are speaking about the quadratic equation. So first of all, this is not a quadratic equation. Okay, this is something
Hmm.
else. Yeah. So hence, don't use that logic. Simple splitting. So simply, why did I do minus 3 plus 1? Because see, I wanted minus 1 over here. I wanted to split. So basically, iska addition should be the middle term only. And what I was thinking, trying to bring a common numbers between them.
so it is minus 2. Minus 3xy
Yes, sir.
plus
There is
x is
minus
minus 2.
2xy.
Sir,
Minus plus 2xy it is. We'll just erase it and make it plus 2xy. Yeah, plus 2xy. So when I do this, as you can see over here, I have 2x. When I take x common, I will be left with 2x minus 3y. And fortunately, on the other side also I have 2 and 3. Here also 2 and 3. Here also 2 and 3. So that is a cue for me to get a common, what do we say, factor. So in this case, when I take y as common, I am left with again 2x minus 3y. So this gives me x plus y multiplied by 2x minus 3y. And this x plus y gets cancelled with this. Hence, I'm left with x in the numerator. In the denominator, I'm left with x minus y. And then I'm left with 2x minus 3y. When I see the option x divided by x minus y multiplied by 2x minus 3y, option 1 is my correct answer. And the idea of 2 and 3 I got from the options only. So when I saw the options also, I saw that 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. So basically, I understand here I have 2, here I have 3. So basically, I have to divide this such that I have 2 and 3 over here also. And that gave me the idea. Okay, minus 1 कैसे नहीं कह सकते 2 and 3 के साथ. It's basically minus 3 plus 2. Note it down, please.
Actually, I didn't know that the class is from 7, so I joined at 7:25. So can I get the where can I get the recording of the first 25 minutes of the class?
See, all the classes are recorded all the time and uploaded in a Google Drive. This Google Drive link might have been forwarded by Ajinkya sir to the group in the beginning itself. So you just
It
Okay,
is
sir.
in
scroll
I
the
will.
whatever
description.
WhatsApp
Yes, sir,
groups
it
you
is
have.
shared already. It is shared.
Yeah. So when you click on that
Okay,
link,
sir. I
there
will.
are so many folders with different date names. So you can check for today's date, 24/11/2024. In that folder, there might be parts, different parts, part 1, part 2, part 3, like that. So go for part 1.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir. Yes.
no
Okay.
problem. Yeah. Fifth one, expand this one. This is x square plus 9x square minus 15. We are supposed to expand this. So as I can see, in this case, we are not supposed to factorize. See, this one is already factorized. All you have to do is expand. Bada karo. Bada karo means you have to open the bracket. Okay. Now, uh, simply open the bracket. So this goes the first term x square multiplied by the first term over there, that is x square itself, x square multiplied by x square, then goes plus 9x square, then goes minus 15x square, then goes multiplied by minus of 15 into 9 is 135. So 9 minus 15 gives you minus 6. So you have x raised to 4, you have minus 6 and x raised to 4 minus 6 and minus 130. That is option 3. That is your correct answer. Okay. Now, just a minute before I go to the next one. Uh, the answer was
Sir, of the
option.
fifth, the answer was third, right?
Yeah, third option.
Okay.
Yep. We'll go for the sixth one now. Okay. Sixth one. What will be the quotient? This is the sixth. Sorry, this is the sixth one. My bad. Find the value of x square plus y square if this is equal to 1 and this is equal to 7. So when I divide them, there is a conventional method to find, but I don't think that conventional method is useful over here. But that method will be too long, yeah. Just a minute. 7x, 4x, xy. It will be too long, too long. काफी लंबा हो जाएगा. X.
Sir, can we try by relating the first one to the first equation to the second one? So if in the first one 4 by x into 2 and 3 by y into 3. So can we do like that?
Multiplied by 3. Yeah, even I was thinking that in that track only, you'll find x separately and you'll find y separately. But I was also thinking whether there is any other method using factorization. Okay, so let's go for that only then. So we can connect them, like for example, but we are multiplying by 2 and 3. Huh. We can do one thing, we can multiply, this is the first equation, we'll multiply the first equation by 3. So when we multiply it by 3, you'll be getting 12 upon x plus 9 by y is equal to 3. This is your first equation. The second equation is 8 by x minus 9 by y is equal to 7. So when you add them, on one hand you have 12 plus 8, 20 by x, minus plus they gets cancelled. 7 plus 3 you have 10. So when you cancel them, you'll get x equal to 2. So once you get x equal to 2, you simply substitute it to the next equation, like 4 by x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 1. You take it to the other side, 4 by x is equal to 1 minus 3 by 2 gives you minus 1 by 2. That gives you, oh sorry, मैंने गलत जगह पे डाला. My bad, substitution was wrong. Just a minute. X is equal to 2. So 4 by 2, then 3 by y. You cancel it to get 2 over here. You take 2 to the other side. You'll get y is equal to minus 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Sorry, 3 by y is equal to minus 1. Then you write y is equal to minus 3. So you have x equal to plus 2 and y is equal to minus 3. So x square becomes 4 and y square becomes 9. 4 plus 9 is 13. Option 3 will be your correct answer. Yes, Gargi, tell me.
Sir, I just had a doubt. Why did you consider, like, you multiplied with 3, so
Mm-hmm.
you got 12x by x, 12 by x, but isn't
Mm-hmm.
it supposed to be 3x because what you multiply in the numerator is multiplied in the denominator?
Okay. See, there are two types of adjustments which we do. If you are multiplying one expression in the numerator, then we have to do it in the denominator also. You're absolutely correct. And the another type of adjustment is if you are multiplying anything on the left hand side, you have to do the same thing on the right hand side also. This is the another adjustment. So over here, what I've done, I'm multiplying the whole equation by 3. So I'll be multiplying on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side. So in the right hand side, I've already multiplied by 3, as you can see. And on the left hand side also, and to balance the right hand side, I'm multiplying it on the left hand side. Hence, I don't have to do it on the numerator as well as on the denominator. I have to do it only once because I've already done it on the right hand side. Understood, Gandhi?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. ठीक है. So this was the sixth one, and with this, our time is up. Today's class was from 7 to 8:15. So that's all for today, my dear children. We'll be continuing this worksheet in the next class. Till then, take care. See you. Bye bye.
Bye,
Thank you
sir.
so much.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.